And this is just the driveway to get down to the trail. This ain't even where the trail starts. That yeah, I could not take Uncle John's car down here. He would have a knit shit. But I think I'm gonna bring my trimmers so I can get Uncle John's car down here. And no, Coco, that's not the river crossing I'm talking about. Come on, Zeus. No, we're going straight. Just go straight. Just follow the tracks. Yeah, if anybody doesn't realize, all I do is really walk the UTV trails. I go off trail a lot. Way a lot. And I am so ill prepared. Once again. With hiking shoes. We'll get them eventually. I hike in whatever, but I should have worn my mix. Fresh honeysuckle? Are they still really white? Yeah. Oh, there are some yellow ones and some white ones. We want the white ones. People say the yellow ones are good too, but I would I would separate them. Potatoes learning a hiking trail. There's Duckadoo. Just by looking at, what do you think? You think we're gonna be able to toot down it? Get over here, boys. Boys, duck.
Potato.
You're gonna cross because I gotta put my stuff on. You leave that dog alone too. I'm telling. Walk across. Find it where it's not deep. Okay, river crossing with Coco. We gotta go that way. I know the rocks are slippery. No, you need your shoes for across there. She's learning. Straight across, Coco. Coco. That way. That way. Right here. Walk right here. Straight across. I gotta walk across too. I'm just filming you. I know the rocks hurt. I gotta take my shoes and socks off and walk across too. That's gonna be fun to go down on the tubes in. All these little rapids. No. 3. Coco, do we go up to see a view or do we go
Down? Come on, potato.
It's me and Coco, we found this spot. This looks like a good fishing spot right here.
Yep.
Look how deep that water is. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. Then there's a beach. Yep, I like this spot.
Bobby Joe.
What?
Ants.
It's okay. It's a trail.
You almost stepped in them.
Oh, I don't give a shit.
Yeah, because they're trying to camouflage.
See, nobody must come down this trail because this trail ain't even wore out.
Potato?
Oh shit, we got a water.
Potato.
He's fine. Come on, Potato. It's okay, Coco. We're in the woods. Look, tadpoles and lizards.
I want to grab a lizard.
No, leave them be, Coco.
I want tadpole.
Leave them be.
I'm good at catching tadpoles.
Oh, there's little ones too.
Where?
Babies all around.
Yeah, baby.
John, of course, Duck says, Mom, I'm going to drink this.
But where's the tadpoles?
Leave them be. You see all those little... My phone might not pick them up because of the glare. I think they were just little...
Lizards?
Little lizards, yeah. That's cool.
No, not cool. Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah. But now I want a licky.
Oh, that's all you know?
In real life.
Look, there must have been pigs right here, Coco. Right here? No, it might. There must have been pigs, because what else digs a hole that goddamn deep?
Yeah. Oh, let's keep going.
We are going to keep going. We got a while to go. 'Cause I don't know where this trail comes out.
I just cannot wait to go tubing.
Yep, that's a Monday adventure. You want to tell TikTok? Hold on. Tell TikTok what we're doing on Monday.
We're gonna go tubing.
Mm-hmm.
And she's gonna post it for I don't know why. Yeah, I'm watching you. Well,
Let's see if we can at least get down to the water from here. Oh, we can. There's a beachy, little beachy part. Okay. Oh, this is a sweet little spot, too. Hunting around for a new secret spot, guys. So I can do some of my filming out here and go exploring. We can't get to. Right here. I got a spot right here I can get down. So we're going to sit here and eat lunch. I can't wait to go. We're tubing, guys, down this river right here. So I'm basically like hiking her through. And we're going to see where different stopping points are. Because I want to try to fish certain parts that people don't fish. That's where the fish are going to be, right? Theoretically speaking, you know, that's where the fish should be. But there's nobody right here. We'll see on Monday, though, because this is a holiday. Yeah, I'm about to take her through here. The choices were help me win the garden or go on a hike. She chose to go on a hike, so now I'm going to whoop that little girl in a hiking mode. We're about to go off trail to get to some rocks so she can go swimming because it's too buggy over where she wants to go swimming for me. But the water's decently cold. She wants to go swimming. I'm not going to stop her. All right, so we're climbing up the dry creek that fills the river, one of the dry ones. Well, Coco's trying to get up through it.
up here it's kind of wet, Bobby Joe.
Okay, so she's saying up there is kind of wet. Are you sure you want to continue hiking that way?
No, it's a way up.
That's where you want to go, is up? I was just trying to get us back to the main trail.
Get us to the main trail then.
Okay.